Hello and welcome to our 30 days challenge with SQL. Today is our day 5 and we are looking at our first and most important SQL command, which is select. So what does the select does? It actually is a command that is used to retrieve data from tables. So let's try it on the actor table in Sakila database. So we are using the Sakila database. Don't forget we are using our Sakila and World database for this hands-on. So I'm going to go on to use Sakila, which it has activated this particular database. And in Sakila, I want to retrieve the data from the actors table. I'll write in my select command first, then my asterisk, then from actor. So my select command, my asterisk from actor. So I'm selecting the whole of the actors table. Let's run this and see what happens. So you could see the whole actor table is out here, and this is actually the table. If you bring this thing down, the drop down, you could see the actor table inside Sakila. So this command actually brings the whole data in the table. But what if I want to be specific? I just want to know the first name and the last name. I'll use the same command, select, but I'm going to modify it. So now I'm being specific. First name, my comma, last name, no comma, from actor. So you could see my select, first name, make sure it's the same spelling with the one in the table, last name, from actor. Let me run this and see. Now watch what will happen. This table gives us everything about the actors table, but I'm being specific. I just want first and last name. So using this command and I run it, you could see that I just have my first name and last name. So this select asterisk from actor gives us the whole table, but if you are selecting specific column, you remove the asterisk and then specify the column without the asterisk and make sure it's the same name with the name in the table, this particular name here, from actor. So you could see how the command actually gives us only the first and the last name of each other. So the select command is actually simple but powerful. So practice it using different tables, and then tomorrow we are going to continue from here. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.